Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I'm going to take a look at, I can only really describe them as being budget chisels, because you can spend a lot of money on chisels, and these are definitely at the cheaper end. But before we get into this too deeply, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button and ding the bell, and we'll let you know when our next video comes out. So I just wanted a set of chisels to just do a very sort of simple job here at home, and by far these are not at all a professional grade. I think I paid something like £15 or £16 for a set of 6. So I think you can gather from the price there that they're not certainly the expensive end. Now, this is how they came. I bought them from eBay, so we're going to unpack these together. Now, clearly these were as a bigger set at some point, and they've been, sorry about all the noise, they've been put together as a set of 6. So actually let's do this, and then they're all in the right order. So the first pack, yes, wood chisels, and we've got a number of sizes there. So we've got a 6mm, a 12mm, an 18 and a 24, and that seems to have come in this pack of 4. The brand there is Starex Tools. And they do seem to have these sort of quite nice handles, which I must admit I do like the ones that have this, you know, this part that sort of protects your hands from getting a wallop. I've then got a 32mm and 38, and it's really the 38 one that for the job that I've got in mind that drew me to this set rather than some others. Now, if you are in the trade and working with Howdens, you can actually get an Irwin set instead of what used to be the points that you could get for getting a nice box of screws. So certainly worth going and checking out Howdens and their special offers. I shall put a link to that below, as well as where you can get these chisels. So let's take them out of the pack and have a closer look. There they are out of the packet, and on first impressions that this handle is not so rubbery, it's more of a plastic. Not that I'm at all concerned by that. You don't particularly need a good grip on chisels. You know, you're only guiding, aren't you, while, you know, the end cap there gets a wallop. It's nice that they come with this protective cap. So let's go ahead and take one of those off and see what the tip is. Well, I don't know if you can see that. It's quite difficult to get the camera to focus on it. I can tell you that that is very poorly sharpened. I've never seen new chisels look like that. Pretty bad. What about the next one up? Yeah, I mean, they're really roughly sharpened. I mean that's barely even really a point. Yeah, they're terrible. Yeah, I don't think that's really going to do a job at all. I'll tell you what, one second, let me go and get what I considered to be a fairly decent chisel a while ago. Right, so look, let's compare apples with apples. Now, this one's got like a lump out of it on the side there, which is pretty bad. Yeah, I think you can only really describe these as being sort of rubbish. And I don't know whether they'll take a sharpen even to get them into any kind of life, because obviously the tip of those needs to be... right, look, here's just from a comparison perspective, and this has had some life. This one is significantly sharper and yet I know it hasn't been sharpened for an extensively long time. The feel of the metal on this one compared with this is light. This also feels like it could be made out of some kind of alloy. It's certainly not steel. As far, well, it could be steel, but I mean it's a lot warmer to the touch. This feels a lot more sort of solid and cold, whereas this has got a sort of a warmer, lighter touch to it. Yeah, I think really this video has turned into, from what was going to be an initial unboxing, to don't buy these type of chisels. They're rubbish. They really are poor. I cannot tell you how rubbish these are. I think these are sort of probably best used for you know, hacking at something and leaving your good chisels for something else. I'll try and sharpen them with something and let you know. Look, here we go. This will show you how bad they're made. There's a gap. I don't know. It won't focus. There's a gap underneath there. It's just all for show and really quite poor. Well, there you are. Thanks again for watching with Bodger with Brian. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget, subscribe!